Rando's here, and it's time for another Christmas Safe and Sane demo for you. But before we get started, say hello to Sergeant Pyro!
Hello.
Sergeant Pyro, what do we have tonight?
Summer Santa from Santan Fireworks.
SantanFireworks.com, where we got all our Safe and Sane here on the ranch and all the ranches here in Arizona. SantanFireworks.com are now being sold in New Mexico. There's locations out there and down in the Yuma, California area. Go to the locations section on SantanFireworks.com for the nearest location to you. And when you get to a tent, let them know BBQ Rando sent you. If you tell them Sergeant Pyro, they might get intimidated. All right, now, we've done this one before, and it's a perfect one because we thought Sergeant Pyro and I were shopping at Santan Fireworks, and we were like, we got to bring it back. Now, it is a summer Santa. And if you live in the Phoenix metropolitan area, what was the temp today, Sergeant Pyro?
83.
Yeah, so 83 degrees. This is kind of suits us perfectly down here for the valley. 500 grams, and don't let the size fool you. Do we have a performance on it? There we go. All right, titanium. Chrysanthemum, crackling, red, blue, green, lemon, white strobe, dragon egg. Oh yeah. There we go. We got Santa. Now he's kind of chilling in a nice little short sleeve tank top, it looks like. And you know what? We're in shorts and flip flops. Welcome to Phoenix, people. In the winter, it's hard to believe. So, Sergeant Pyro, are you ready to get your summer Santa on out on the street bed?
Yes, sir.
Let's go! All right, Sergeant Pyro, light summer Santa, please. There we go. Whoa, that was Santa Claus. Santa. Whoa! I don't know about you, but Santa's sleigh is on fire. Barbecue!